All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to get into it.
Awesome. So today we're tackling something that might seem kind of basic at first,
Ah,
but trust me, it's a total game changer when it comes to Excel.
I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
We're diving into the world of Excel shortcuts, specifically the F3 key.
The F3 key. That little guy at the top of the keyboard.
That's the one. Now, I know what you might be thinking. F3, isn't that just for finding stuff in a document?
Yeah, I'll admit that's what usually comes to mind.
Right. But in Excel, F3 is like a secret weapon, especially when combined with named ranges.
Okay, now you've got my attention. Named ranges I use all the time. What's the connection with F3?
So picture this. You've got a massive spreadsheet, right? Tons of data, and you're working on a complex formula.
Happens all the time.
Instead of having to scroll around like crazy,
Yeah.
trying to find the exact cell range you need.
Which, let's be honest, can be a total nightmare.
Totally. With F3, you can just instantly pop in a named range right into your formula. Bam.
Wait, hold on. Break that down for me. How does that actually work?
Okay, so first things first, you got to set up your named ranges. It's basically giving a user-friendly name to a specific range of cells.
Right, like sales data instead of A1.A100. I do that all the time.
Makes formulas so much easier to read.
Exactly. And it helps avoid errors too. Now, here's where F3 comes in. When you're in the middle of typing a formula and need to reference a named range, you just hit F3.
Yeah.
A little dialog box pops up. It's called the base name box. All your named ranges are listed right there.
Oh, that's handy.
Right. You just select the one you need, hit enter, and boom, it's right there in your formula.
No more manually typing out those long cell ranges.
Nope. It's a massive time saver, especially when you're working with really complex stuff like financial modeling.
I can see that. In a financial model, you've got so many different variables and data points.
It gets messy fast.
Exactly. Named ranges are crucial for keeping things organized, but with F3, it takes it to a whole other level. Totally agree. And you know what's even cooler? There's another shortcut to define named ranges even faster.
Oh, tell me more.
It's CRL plus F3. It brings up the name manager, where you can create and edit your named ranges.
I am learning so much today. So simple, but so effective. I'm going to start using this right away.
I knew you'd appreciate it.
Yeah.
And, it's not just about saving time and keystrokes.
There's more.
It's about making your spreadsheets more organized, easier to understand, and less prone to errors.
Absolutely. When your formulas are clear and concise, it's easier to spot mistakes, and it's easier for others to follow your logic.
Right. It's like you're building a well-structured house instead of a rickety shack.
Love that analogy. Solid foundation, easy to navigate, and built to last.
Exactly. And, sometimes it's these seemingly small tweaks in our workflow
The ones we often overlook.
that can make the biggest difference in our productivity and efficiency.
Couldn't agree more. It's a good reminder that sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones.
Totally. So there you have it, folks. The mighty F3 key. It might seem unassuming, but it's a secret weapon for any Excel ninja.
So next time you find yourself battling a monstrous spreadsheet, remember the F3 key and its trusty sidekick named ranges.
They might just be the dynamic duo you need to conquer Excel chaos.
And hey, while you're at it, why not explore other shortcuts Excel has to offer? There's a whole world of keyboard magic out there just waiting to be discovered.
That's right. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We'll catch you next time for another Excel adventure.